In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make insane landing page designs on Midjourney. So, what you want to do is you want to go to this website called PromptBase, and PromptBase is a place where people sell their prompts on. Now, if you're a landing page designer, for example, you can go on here and you can type in landing page. You can click Midjourney, and I've already seen some that are amazing. So you can look at this, for example. Look how amazing the designs are on these. They're truly insane. Now, you can buy the prompt to generate stuff like this on this website for $3.99. It's going to give you the prompt which is needed, so it gives you all of the keywords, and it's going to give you instructions on how to customize these to get the desired result you want. Now, this is an insane tool that will help you get ideas for your websites very easily. And as you can see, if you go through here, there are tons and tons and tons of different options to choose from. Some of them are so creative and, really things that you haven't seen before. Like this, I've never seen anything like this, and it's really cool. So I'd recommend checking this out, and I guarantee if you implement this properly, you can see some amazing results. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that helped. Thank you for watching.